Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add Discord overlay to OBS. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Certainly, accomplishing this is now feasible. Begin by launching your web browser and navigate to the site provided in the link description below. Click on the Install for OBS option. If you already have a Discord account logged in, an authorization prompt will appear. Click Authorize to proceed. Return to the Stream Kit. For more convenient process, navigate to the Voice widget section. Within this section, choose your preferred voice channel. Upon choosing the voice channel, click on Gaming, Show, Speaking Users Only, enabling your account to be visible only when you are speaking. Feel free to toggle this option off if you prefer not to be seen when talking. Various modifications can be made according to your preferences. Once you've made your decision, proceed to copy the link URL. And now, open OBS Studio, click on Add Source, then choose Browser. Optionally, rename the source and click OK. Paste the copied link URL and confirm. As you engage your microphone and produce sounds, observe that your username and avatar will dynamically appear on the top right of the OBS Studio window. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.